When it comes to livestock, evolution is in genetics. When it comes to genetics, evolution is at Senat. Senat Embriões, the evolution of genetics. Brazilian bovine cattle numbers more than 200 million heads of dairy and beef. Brazilian agribusiness accounts for one-third of Brazilian exportations, $4.8 billion. That's what Brazil made from meat exportation in 2010. Brazil accounts for 65% of the in vitro fertilization procedures in the world. It is in this thriving agribusiness scenario that Senat Embriões established itself as one of the leader enterprises in assisted bovine reproduction biotechnology. Having a modern infrastructure with laboratories with state-of-the-art equipment, Senat has contributed to the genetic evolution of bovine breeds. In vitro fertilization, embryo transfer, embryo freezing and defrost of IVF and cloning are some of the services offered by Senat. From its laboratory plant and headquarters, which houses more than 200 donors of all races, Senat multiplies the superior genetics of breeding stock cattle breeders from all over Brazil. With a cohesive team, qualified and committed to customer results, Senat has been outstanding in their field. Strict adherence to all sanitary protocols, the quick and reliable processing of information, and the work with excellence brought Senat to a prominent position in the issue of service quality. This quality, identified in all the stages of the work, has projected Senat overseas, opening franchises and being accredited by the Canadian Food Inspection Agency as the first company able to provide IVF embryos to Canada since 2007. Continuously investing in research for the benefit of livestock, Senat has just made the first certificated cloning of deer breed and, contrary to all results obtained so far in vitro fertilization of buffaloes, Senat has already seen the birth of the first buffalo calves in its headquarters. The greatest merit of this experiment was the achievement of normal pregnancies and the birth of buffalo calves within the same characteristics achieved through natural mating and artificial insemination. The rate of pregnancies reached 41%, a success considering the particularities of the buffalo. Besides the services of bovine cattle reproduction, Senat also markets embryos and sex seed pregnancies. The highlight is called Project F2. In it, half-breed deer and Holton donors of top quality are aspirated and, through in vitro fertilization, the fecundation is carried out with sex seed semen for females, taken from important Holton bulls, enhancers of the total solids of milk. The result of this cross is females of high dairy performance, resistant to heat, nutritional and parasite stress, the best alternative for dairy production under the conditions of most of Brazilian territory. This project is responsible for the genetic improvement of several herds belonging to milk producers through funding provided by cooperatives. Senat Embriões, the evolution of genetics.